First, remove this small cover. Hold the mirror and bracket and turn it left. Cut the zip tie. Then unplug the plug. Break the front of the shell. Then break the edge of the ceiling. Remove the shell. Assemble the new bracket and streaming media. Remove the spring from the original bracket. And install it on our bracket. Pass the harness on the back of the mirror through this shell. And store it in the gap of the ceiling. Then pull the edge of the ceiling. Put the shell back. Align the buckle and tighten the front end. Then align the base and turn it to the right. Install the streaming media. You can use a zip tie here. Bundle the wires. Then put the small cover back on. Pull out the rubber strip. Remove the threshold skin. First, remove the side cover plate. Then remove the velvet threshold. There is a buckle here. Before connecting the plug, disconnect the vehicle's power. Plug the large plug into this socket plug. The small plug is connected here. The original car plug. Take out the wire from the A-pillar magnetic cover. Take the other end from the gap between the airbag and A-pillar into the gap. Set an extension cord after connecting the plug. Connect the wires in the same way. Then store it in the ceiling. Use a zip tie to bundle the wire on the original car's circuit. And store it in the reserved large socket. Restore the removed cover plate. Pull down the rubber strip of the rear door frame. Remove the cover of the other end of the extension cord. Tie the threading device. Then pass it through the gape in the B-pillar. Pull out the soft rubber tube here at the tailgate. And then pass the wire through this hole. When installing the rubber strip, cover the edge of the rubber strip with the upper skirt. Pull out the rubber tube the other end. You can spray some lubricant into the rubber tube. Pass the wire through the lower opening. Put the lower end back. First, remove the U-shaped cover plate. Pry off the clips on both sides. Then you can remove the large cover plate. Pull out the rubber ring here. Disassemble the original lens assembly. After power off, unplug this plug. Unscrew 2 screws. Move the lens to the new assembly. Then tighten the screws. Remove the plug cover of the lens cable. Tie a threading device. Then pass it through this hole to the inside. Connect the plug of the original lens. Then align the buckle and install the new assembly. Spray some lubricant on the rubber ring. Then pass the rear ray through the rubber ring. And then put the rubber ring back. The extension cord continues to pass through here. Put back the plug cover. Connect the plug. Use zip ties to store the wires along the original route. The redundant wires are stored here. Then install the cover plate back in turn.